on, guys? David Productions, 345 here. Today I have a special video. So I will send a product from Shine Armor. It is a detailing company basically that sells detailing products. So I'm doing an honest review of this product right here. Let's open up the package. It comes with microfiber towels and then the product itself. So here's the products it comes with. It comes with the product itself, which is a scratch and swirl remover. Couple steps. It says just apply a couple dabs of the solution onto a microfiber and kind of scrub the area. Light pressure to medium pressure. Comes with 2 microfibers. Love the purple. So yeah, let's go test this out on some cars outside and let's see what we got. Alrighty guys, so my dad's mirror has a couple scratches on it. You guys can see. So we're gonna hope some of these deep ones are not gonna come out, but some of the shallow ones should come out. So let's take a couple dabs of this. High even pressure. It might have even been too much. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. It'll get most of them off, but just not the deep ones. Look at that, guys. Pretty good. All these other ones are deeper, so only worried about the top level, but worked pretty well. And this is after that to wipe it off with the dry part. Just gonna wipe it off. That looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next car. Alright guys, so to sum the Shine Armor scratch and swirl remover product up, really like a 7 out of 10. It's a nice solid product to have in the arsenal, I guess, to clean off small scratches. I did apply it correctly. It says microfiber and then wipe it off after. It's like, I think like $10 is what this costs. Is it worth the money? Yeah, if you need to remove some small scratches, definitely worth it. But overall, 7 out of 10. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching this video and I'll catch you guys in the next video.